Hello everyone, so today we're gonna fix a very common issue with the DualSense controller. It's basically a loose resistance engine, and you can diagnose it by two main criteria. So first one is you can either do it by playing a game that does emulate the resistance in a trigger. So, or you can use, like I do on PC, you can use any DualSense tester, set your trigger to resistance, and then one that works does this. It just resists my pressure on it, and the one where the engine is loose does this. So it sort of rattles and vibrates. And the other criteria or symptom is that it, like, you can hear the loose bolts inside of it, and I'm gonna show you them later. To fix this issue, you don't need any fancy tools. I'm using a simple Phillips screwdriver that I use to mount an SSD. And then I'm using pincers, and I'm using something that resembles a pry tool. So let's take the controller apart and fix it. So here's the broken part. It's the trigger module itself. You can replace it and it costs like 10 bucks. But that's boring, so let's fix it. So here you can see the root cause of the issue. It's this bit that is loose. It should be screwed and held in place by two small screws, but it has unscrewed itself under the vibration. So the fix is really easy, you just need to screw them in. It's a bit tricky because the screws are small and the space is cramped, but with a bit of trial and error you can get it there. And now that both two screws are in place and secured, we can just assemble the controller back. And the last thing to do is to just test the controller, make sure it works, and enjoy it.